Hi folks, we're just going to show you how to use the sharing collaboration tools within SkyDrive. So we're going to click on SkyDrive up here in the upper right hand corner, and you'll notice that I've got my documents folder with all my documents here that I've got on SkyDrive, and I'm going to add a new document. And so I click on new document and you'll notice all my choices. The nice thing is that I can add any type of document that I want, and it becomes automatically collaborative, shared amongst whoever I want to invite it. And they can work on it at exactly the same time I am, as I'll show you in a second. So I'm just going to pick an easy Word document, so create a new document. Give the Word document a name. I'm just going to go test with Miss Shadeen, and click OK. And it opens up Word inside of the browser. So I'm actually editing a Word document just using my web browser. Now you do notice it does say open in Word up here. If I want to use the full power of Word, I would click on that and it would open up inside of Word. I can then save it and it would save it back to my SkyDrive. But I want to play with the collaborative function. So I'm going to give a title to my document. This is the title of my document. And now I want Miss Shadeen to come in and help me write this document. So I'm going to click on the share button up in the upper right hand corner. And it takes me back and it says, okay, who do you want to share it with? Well, this is tied into our email. So it's going to find Miss Shadeen. There we go. And she can edit it. Notice I could just make her a viewer, but I actually want her to participate. And I type a little message to her. Please help me write this document. And I want to make sure that she gets an email so that she gets a notification that I'm going to edit it with her. And I click on share. So she's going to get an email on her computer, and I'm going to click back into the document. Notice it's on a different tab than when I shared. So now I'm working on my document, so this is the body of my document. And we're waiting just for Miss Shadeen. She might come in at different times. Maybe she's at the coffee shop and is drinking a coffee, and then she gets an email on her phone, and she goes, oh, I have a document I can work on with Mr. Armstrong. She gets really excited, and then she clicks on the link, and it opens up inside of the Word app, and she can join me in editing. And so notice that I didn't type this. Miss Shadeen is the one who's actually now editing this document, and you can see her little green flag is Miss Shadeen. If I click on her name up here, it will follow along where it is, and she and I can write on the same document without interfering. So it's kind of like Google Docs, but it is all the power of Word. When you're done, I'm going to exit the document. It saves all of my changes. Miss Shadeen can continue editing, and when I go back in, I'll see all of her changes. We can invite more people. I can go back and get rid of Miss Shadeen, but it allows us to collaborate on documents. Or, as you noticed, under New Documents, you can have a group Excel workbook, a group PowerPoint presentation, and you're also already familiar with the OneNotes. So that gives us a lot more options to work together on. Let me know how it goes. Thanks very much.